Welcome. In today's tutorial, I will help you understand focus settings of Windows 11 through explanation. I'll also guide you on how to set session duration in Windows 11 OS. Okay? So, focus is a feature found in the notification settings page, whereby you can decide to focus on what you're doing on your computer for a period of time without getting distraction from apps notification or any other distraction that may come up from your system. Okay, so in this tutorial I will guide you on how you can set up these settings and how to access it and set it up. So let's get started. Access the settings page by clicking on the start button, then click on settings. Okay, so this will open the settings section of this Windows 11 OS. Now we are landed on the system menu item by default. Okay, in one of the items there is notifications, so click on notifications. This will open the notifications settings page. All right, so which includes notifications, do not disturb, to turn on do not disturb automatically, set priority notifications, and focus. So our interest is on understanding the focus feature. All right, so I'll click on the focus for it to open the focus settings page. Let's assume I have a meeting to attend in the next 10 minutes or the next 20 minutes or more than, but I want to focus on what I'm working on. Maybe I want to prepare a document. I want to focus on it without any form of distraction. Okay, I can decide to set a time. So here by default 30 minutes is assigned. Okay, let's say I want to set 25 minutes by clicking on this plus sign. You'll be going down. If you click on this plus sign, by clicking on this minus sign, it will go down. When you click on the plus sign, it will go up. So, okay, 15 minutes. Let's say I want to focus on what I'm doing on this PC for the next 15 minutes without distraction. So I will set the time here. Then look at what the feature we get on doing this. Show the timer in the clock app. So this will show the timer in the clock app as I work on it, so that will show me whether how many minutes I have left or how many seconds I have left. Okay, so I'll be conscious of the time. Hide badges on taskbar app. When we do this, no matter the notification you get from an app on the app is stored on this PC, it will not show up. Hide flashing on taskbar apps. Flashing will be hidden. Okay, turn on do not disturb. Do not disturb will be turned on as you focus on what you are doing, so no distraction will come from any form of application installed on this PC. All right, so after that, after setting this the time, the next step you need to take is click on start focus session. All right, so this session has started. You can see 15 minutes is set. Okay, so you will not get any distraction as you work on your PC. Let's say I want to work on a document file, so I'll click on Word, just start typing what I want to type. All right, so for that period of time, for the next 15 minutes, no distraction will come from any app installed on this Windows 11 PC. Okay, so these are just how you can enable focus session in a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, leave a like by hitting the like button. Also, if you are watching my video for the first time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, as that will make a big difference to my channel. Thank you, and see you some other time.